Welcome to the overview of the Kickapoo Nation Appeals Case 2, Lightfoot vs. Kickapoo Tribal Council, Case Number 2024 KTCAO 117. This appellate review takes place within the jurisdiction of the Tribal Court of Appeals. This week's plan is comprehensive. We start with governance and case introduction, move to argument development and bench prep, and conclude the week with 2 rounds of moot court, focusing on oral advocacy and judicial deliberation. The core challenge is reversing the tribal court's dismissal of a membership rights petition. The case centers on key legal doctrines, tribal sovereignty, due process, and the political question doctrine. The petitioner, Marlena Lightfoot, is appealing the dismissal. The respondents include the Kickapoo Tribal Council and Chief Justice Margaret Whitebird, representing the legislative authority, and the judicial officer involved in the lower court's decision. The appellate review focuses on 2 major questions of law. First, did the tribal court wrongly dismiss the case as a political question? Second, did the tribal court fail to conduct a constitutional analysis of Resolution 2023-14? Kickapoo governance features a tripartite system with executive, legislative, and judicial branches. Judicial independence was formalized through the 1987 amendment, and the Court of Appeals was established in 2015 to provide higher-level review. Article 2 of the Kickapoo Constitution defines tribal membership as a fundamental right. This right comes with mandatory protections, including strict adherence to due process, and a guarantee of equal protection under tribal law. The appellant raises multiple points of error. Points 1 and 2 challenge the lower court's reliance on the political question doctrine. Points 3 and 4 highlight procedural errors, arguing the resolution violates existing enrollment ordinances by retroactively stripping rights. Points 5 and 6 detail constitutional claims. Point 5 argues an equal protection violation, citing the resolution's narrow application targeting one family lineage. Point 6 argues due process errors due to the absence of mandated procedural requirements. The respondents defend the dismissal by asserting, Point 1, the membership decision is a political question outside the court's authority. Point 2 states the appellant lacks standing, as no actual injury has occurred. Points 3 and 4 argue the resolution is a valid clarification and an objective audit of historical irregularities. For moot court preparation, students must analyze the jurisdictional framework, specifically the political question doctrine, and perform a substantive analysis of Article 2 rights. Litigation points include retroactivity, equal protection, and procedural due process. This powerful appellate case offers key learnings in tribal constitutional law, membership sovereignty, judicial review limits, and the balance between tradition and rights within the Kickapoo Nation.